Hey, my beauties. Welcome back. And boys, this one is for you. I know I've made enough videos for my girls lately, so now it's time for the boys too. I hope you enjoy this one and show it some love. Today we're talking about the signs she's your biggest fan. And no, I don't mean the girl who's obsessed with every little thing you do. I mean the girl who genuinely likes you, supports you, and gets excited about your wins almost as much as you do. Because when a girl really cares about someone, it shows in the little things. The way she listens, the way she remembers, and the way she gets happy when good things happen to you. So boys, if you've ever wondered whether a girl is secretly rooting for you, these signs might answer that question. 1. She hypes you up. A girl who's your biggest fan genuinely loves seeing you win. When something good happens to you, she's not sitting there acting uninterested. She's excited. Whether it's a good grade, a promotion, a football match, a new achievement, or even something small you've been working toward, she's one of the first people celebrating with you. The cute thing is that sometimes she's more confident in you than you are in yourself. When you're doubting your abilities, she's reminding you of everything you've already accomplished. She wants to see you succeed because your happiness genuinely makes her happy. That's not something people do for just anyone. 2. She remembers everything. You mentioned an important event weeks ago. She remembers. You told her about a goal you're working on. She remembers. You casually said you were nervous about something, and suddenly she's checking in to ask how it went. When a girl is your biggest fan, she pays attention to the details because she actually cares about what's happening in your life. She's not listening just to reply. She's listening because the things that matter to you start mattering to her too. And honestly, that's one of the sweetest forms of support. 3. She talks about you proudly. One thing about girls is that when they're proud of someone, they can't help talking about them. Maybe she's telling her friends about something impressive you did. Maybe she's mentioning your accomplishments during conversations. Maybe she's bringing you up when nobody even asked. The funny thing is that you probably have no idea she's doing this. While you're going about your day, she's out there talking about your achievements like she's part of your personal PR team. That's because seeing someone she cares about do well makes her genuinely proud. 4. She believes in you. There are going to be moments when you doubt yourself. Everyone has them. But a girl who's your biggest fan often sees your potential even when you can't see it yourself. When you feel like giving up, she's encouraging you. When you're being hard on yourself, she's reminding you how capable you are. She doesn't just support the version of you that already exists. She supports the version she knows you can become. That's why her words hit differently. They're not just compliments, they're genuine belief. And sometimes having one person believe in you can change everything. She notices your effort. Most people notice results. Your biggest fan notices effort. She sees the late nights, the hard work, the consistency, and the little things nobody else pays attention to. Even if you haven't achieved the goal yet, she's already proud of the work you're putting in. That's what makes her support feel different. She doesn't only show up when you're successful, she shows up during the process too. She notices the things that happen behind the scenes, and that makes her support feel real instead of performative. 6. Your wins feel personal to her. When something amazing happens to you, she gets genuinely excited. Not fake excited, not polite excited. Actually excited. You can hear it in her voice. You can see it in her reaction. She wants all the details. She wants to celebrate with you. Sometimes she reacts like the achievement happened to both of you. That's because when a girl deeply cares about someone, their happiness starts affecting her own happiness. Seeing you win feels good because she wants good things for you. And that kind of energy is rare. 7. She stays during the hard times. Anyone can support you when life is going well. The real test is what happens when things aren't. A girl who's your biggest fan doesn't disappear the moment things become difficult. She doesn't only like the successful version of you. She stays when you're stressed, frustrated, disappointed. You realize her support isn't based on what you can offer her. She genuinely cares about you as a person. And honestly, that's one of the biggest green flags there is. The truth is, a girl who's your biggest fan isn't just someone who likes you. She's someone who celebrates your wins, remembers your goals, believes in your potential, and wants to see you succeed even when nobody's watching. Those people are rare. So if there's a girl in your life who supports you like this, appreciate her. Because genuine support, loyalty, and belief are some of the most valuable things a person can give. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, what's the biggest sign someone is genuinely rooting for you? And girls, what's your favorite way to support someone you care about?